What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And by now, you've probably seen the presentation that I dropped here on the Rumblebees that are coming. Now, I'm going to give you guys a quick first look at several of these trucks and give you my thoughts and impressions on them. So first thing, you got the 5.7 liter Hemi version of this truck. Extremely clean. You notice the much shorter wheelbase. So what's so crazy about this new Rumblebee is there are, this was the biggest thing I heard was it's not going to be affordable for everybody. No one's going to be able to buy one. They got a 5.7 cloth interior, pretty bare bones, not crazy, right? Then you go to the 6.4, which we'll go take a look at here in a second. You got the 6.4 liter, which has the Apache, right? Not the BGE, not the big gas engine, but the Apache. The same thing that you would see in my Green Monster is the same engine that you're getting in this right here. So track specific, actual racing capability engine. And that's what makes this thing different, okay? Same thing, interior, cloth interior. So there's a lot of different cost savings. Is this one going to be as cheap as the 5.7 or anywhere near it? Probably not. It's probably going to cost some money, right? But I think it's going to be affordable compared to this one, which will probably make you get a fucking divorce. This is the SRT Rumblebee 7. Yeah. Well, see, I can't do that.
You got a his and hers package, I think.
Right? What do you think about it?
I love it, dude.
Yeah? I think it's gangster, man.
It's going to have great control. It's going to have all the power. You got all the look of the TRX and the big muscly road truck.
Yep. Now I need him to make a sport diesel truck.
Yeah. 100%.
Then you get Cummins and make a sport diesel truck.
I bet it's not too far off. You never know what's going on in that thing.
That's true, huh?
Right,
oh, go ahead.
Go ahead, jump in
Yo,
there.
we don't do no high production shit here, bro. I'm filming on a fucking iPhone.
That's all real stuff.
Yep.
No, I'm excited for this one. This is going to be...
I think he's right. I think he's going to kill it on the market. Yeah, no, when I started...
People want the muscle cars, and then now you got a muscle truck.
Sorry, guys, but when one of the Diesel brothers wants to holler at you, whatever, you got to see what's up. Putting the finishing touches on it? I love it. So, outside of getting divorced if you buy one of these things, it would totally be a lot of fun. Totally be a lot of fun. And you can see, like, even the way the tires are hitting. Clean. Clean. And this gives you that nice luxury feel for a Ram too. So, this one is not going to be, this is the one that's made for rich guys. This is the one that's going to be not affordable. Duh. And over here, you guys have seen this before. This was supposed to be that dude concept. But, you can see it back here, dude. But I think you're going to see a Daytona version of this because the Rumblebee is literally just the first edition of muscle trucks. And the inspiration for everything here. Got the NASCAR truck right here. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. Yep. No pricing or availability has been posted yet, but I'm willing to bet, if I dig in, I'll probably find you'll be able to buy these by the beginning of next year. I'm guessing in 2027, maybe later this year. But like I said, that one right there, you're going to get divorced, you buy that one. That bit's going to be expensive. It ain't going to be cheap at all. You can book that.